Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your SCADA shows a 2% performance drop. Your O&M team schedules a cleaning, but they are cleaning the wrong arrays and wasting 30,000 euros per year. SCADA measures site-wide or inverter-level performance only. When it shows a 2 to 3% underperformance, the typical response is schedule cleaning for the whole site. Soiling is not uniform across arrays. Cleaning everything equally leads to overcleaning low soiling areas and wasted cost. It also leads to undercleaning high soiling areas and lost revenue. And there is no ROI-based cleaning schedule with this approach. Drone thermal and RGB imaging reveal invisible soiling patterns SCADA cannot see. Pattern 1 is edge effect soiling, where arrays near roads or fields collect 3 to 5 times more dust. SCADA averages this out, and you end up cleaning the whole site when only 20% needs it. Pattern 2 is wind direction bias, creating soiling gradients across the site. One side might show 1% loss, while the opposite side suffers 9% loss. Pattern 3 is seasonal microclimate zones near vegetation or water that develop dew and trap more particulates. Those zones may need cleaning every 4 to 6 weeks, while others can go 12 plus weeks. Pattern 4 affects trackers, where morning-facing positions collect dew and dust more than afternoon-facing positions. SCADA cannot differentiate these detailed per-array patterns. Our drone plus AI workflow creates a soiling heat map with Euro-based cleaning priorities. Step 1 is drone RGB imaging, capturing high-resolution images of every module. AI detects soiling density type and percent coverage from those images. Step 2 is a thermal cross-check, since soiled modules run 2 to 8 degrees Celsius hotter. Thermal confirms real performance impact, not just visible dirt. Step 3 uses an AI soiling to loss model to assign a measured soiling loss percent to each array. AI calculates euros per megawatt hour times kilowatt hours loss per array to give euro per week loss. The model compares that loss to cleaning cost per array, including water, labor, and equipment. Step 4 outputs an ROI-based cleaning schedule, prioritizing arrays to clean now or later. For example, array B3 shows 9.2% loss, equaling 1,850 euros per month, and cleaning cost of 320 euros, so clean now. Array F7 shows 1.1% loss, equaling 180 euros per month, and cleaning cost of 280 euros, so clean in 8 weeks. Real example client. A 60 megawatt desert solar site had a quarterly cleaning schedule costing 45,000 euros per year. Before ClearSpot, they cleaned the entire site every 3 months based on a 2.5% site average. After ClearSpot mapping high soiling zones representing 25% of site were cleaned every 6 weeks, costing 18,000 euros per year. Medium zones representing 40% were cleaned every 10 weeks, costing 14,000 euros per year. Low soiling zones representing 35% were cleaned every 16 weeks, costing 7,000 euros per year. Total cleaning cost dropped to 39,000 euros per year, saving 6,000 euros, and performance gain was 1.2%, adding 72,000 euros per year. Net benefit for the client was 78,000 euros per year. Managing over 30 megawatts in high-dust environments, we will create a free soiling ROI map for one of your sites. Visit ClearSpot.ai and request your soiling heat map analysis to see exactly which arrays to clean first and which ones are wasting your cleaning budget. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.